Welcome back to TAC. My name is Coach Alex. Today we're going to give you soccer mastery knowledge, principles, and techniques that you can use to master your soccer skills at home, by yourself, or with a friend. If you're a parent watching, we're going to give you principles and knowledge that you can use to help coach your child at home and help them in their soccer success. Today we're going to be covering how to have the perfect touch in dribbling, how to move forward with the ball with the full vision of the field in front of you, how to master your dominant and non-dominant foot, and how to have the perfect sleek touch throughout every game and every season. We're going to be training our dribbling technique at home. It's going to be by ourselves without a training partner. What you want to do with your dribbling technique is you want to be touching the ball right here. That's going to be your softest, easiest touch to control within yourself, okay? So what we want to do is we want to have our opposite foot there. We want to touch just in the center of the ball, and we want to give it the smallest touch in the world. That's why I say if you think smallest touch, you're always going to think really micro touch and really close control. It's gonna look like this. So no one can take it off of you. You're there, my body's almost in front of me. It doesn't have to be in front of me, but I got my arms out, ready to put it up if somebody's coming at me. I have full control over it. The closer it is to your body, the easier it is for you to dribble and keep hold of the ball. And when you wanna go side to side, we're gonna use this side here again, and this side on your outside foot, just like this, okay? And you'll be looking at touching it again in the center of the ball to the side. So we're gonna be looking on like this, center of the ball here, and touching control here. And that's you go side to side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna aim for 100 touches in our mind in 1 minute. Every time we touch the ball, I want you to think, look up, okay? I want you to look up with the ball, and essentially, where we want to build it is I'm looking straight at you. I can see the ball in front of me. I don't even need to see it. I don't need to look down. I can use my peripherals to see where that ball is. And I got my eyes scanning. I can fake. I can come wherever I want. And I can see with my eyes. I don't even have to look at the ball anymore, okay? So now what we want to do, we're going to choose an open part of the field. What we're going to do, guys, you see this little square here? That's the edge of the cones there. Edge of the penalty area here. We're gonna dribble in this box. I want you to dribble with your head up. We're gonna use our dominant this time, and then we're gonna switch to non-dominant, because you always wanna be two-footed, okay? You guys ready? We'll stay in this box here. As much as you can, keep your eyes up. Use the bottom of your vision to see your ball. You guys ready? Go. Good. So now, I'm gonna be moving around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're gonna use only our dominant foot to start. We're using only our basic dribbling techniques. I'm gonna come. Yes, Sebastian. Yes, Raj. Yes, Brooks. Great. Eyes up, you're the master of the field. You have everything in front of you. The ball's just in your vision. Smallest touches in the world. You can start slow and gradually increase your speed. 10%, 20%, 30%. Looking at the ball from the bottom vision of your eyes. It's in the bottom. It's what we call peripheral vision. Now we're gonna use our non-dominant foot. So our left foot only, if you guys are all right-footed, we're gonna use our left foot only. We wanna take, at the start, we wanna do double on the opposite foot than we have on our regular comfortable foot. We wanna get that to accelerate our comfortability on the left foot. We're gonna do 200 touches on the left foot now. Quickly, 200 touches, good. Good. So this is my left foot now. I'm scanning the field. I'm taking those touches, making sure I got my eyes right up. I don't even need to look at the ball. Got my eyes up. You want to be transferring around. Be comfortable on your left, just like you're comfortable on your right. And when you have it, you cannot be stopped because you have, if you try to shut me down, I got my left foot now, right? So with both feet, gonna be a much better soccer player. Right now, what we're gonna look at is control and how to build your control, how to build your reception of aerial balls and how to get a better touch with any ball that's bouncing or any ball that comes to you. And that's what is better known as keep-ups, okay? And what we want to do with keep-ups is we want to make sure that we are getting a good drag on the ball if we're going to be practicing on their own. But what you can do if you're a beginner player, if you're starting out right now, we have 3 amazing players, so they already know how to start, okay? But if you're starting out at home, what you want to do is you want to be getting your legs in a good motion here, okay? You want to be on your toes. And what you're going to do is you're going to keep your foot very, very strong, and you want to keep it in a very straight way, okay? So if before you even start, you can practice the keep up by almost pointing your toe out and you're pointing at someone. What that's going to do, it's going to prevent your foot from curling backwards. That's going to make sure your ball bounces back onto your shin and goes away for you. So you want to keep it nice and straight, okay? And then you want to just hit underneath the ball and have it go up straight like that. Same thing you're going to do with your thigh, okay? You're going to want to keep that ball right on the center of your thigh, and then you can work on your control, either controlling it on your thigh and killing the ball down, or you can even keep up the ball with your thigh by applying a little bit more pressure. Hop with the other foot, 1 foot only, Brooks. Good. Beautiful. Try it out. Brooks is doing great. Look at those. Beautiful. You want to be aiming for 50 on your right, 50 on your left, okay? And you want to make sure you're just underneath. You always want to get it in the center of the ball, and just keep trying. If you don't get it the first time, just keep trying, especially with your left foot. Beautiful. Right underneath the center of the ball. Now you've seen some people in the game, they can actually move around with the ball, right? So you can come this way, you can control it this way, you can control it this way. You're building your total control in the game. We want to kill it, come to the ground as fast as we can. Okay, so now, when we're killing the ball, what we want to do is we want to soak it in. As it's coming to you, you want to drop down. Okay, so same thing with the foot. You're going to drop it down to kill it, just like that, okay? Okay, you want to work your chest. You want to come down, you want to apply it. You want to get as much as you can, as much backwards there. Sit in a chair. Brooks did an excellent job. Very flexible. And then you want to bend down and then go into it, okay? Right now, the last thing you're going to do practicing on your own is killing the ball into a first touch. So we're going to throw the ball up, and then we're going to try to make a touch, okay? So first touch, and then away you go. Oh, beautiful. Try it again. Go, guys. Throw it up. Nice. Beautiful. We can also build the fake outs. Go this way, come back that way. You want to be building it into it. Your best ones, you're going to be trapping the ball underneath. So essentially your ball looks like this. You're going to trap it and then pull it, okay? Go like this, trap it, come back down. Good, Brooks. Trap it and move. Yes, Brooks. Beautiful. This is about a 3 hour to 2 hour to 1 hour practice that you can cycle through, get 1,000 reps in each of the things that we've taught you here, and you have the basic fundamentals to be an extraordinary soccer player. What you can train your touch by yourself, you can train your passing by yourself, your shooting by yourself, and then once you have somebody that you train with, you can add even more speed elements, even more pressure elements. If you're by yourself and you want to add pressure, we just add a time-based technique onto it. So you try to do everything within 1 second, 2 seconds. You imagine that somebody's in front of you and you try to beat the time, beat the clock. That's going to add the pressure just like a game scenario. Remember, you want to play with 100% intensity because the game is at 100% intensity, and you want to build your mental pathways here for the game. Thank you so much for watching our dribbling principles of success. We hope that you go out and practice these every day and take these principles that you learn to become the top dribbler and the top player on your team with the ball. If you love this video, please like, subscribe, share with a friend, and watch all of the rest of our TAC videos right here, where we discuss all the other principles and techniques for your development. We hope to see you at our Toronto Athletic FC Academy, where we take you from beginner competitive all the way to the highest levels of soccer. We also want to see you at our camps and programs, and we want you to be successful, grow, learn, and lead, and we will see you next time.